Welcome to Auto AI Zone. Imagine if the roar of a jet engine could be tamed into a stunning work of art. The 2025 Ford GT concept is a vehicle not just built to conquer the road, but to conquer the imagination. Its design is a perfect example of controlled chaos, aerodynamic lines that perfectly direct the wind and massive air intakes that look ready to swallow the horizon. From the futuristic flying buttresses to the illuminated Ford logo, this car is a statement of bold, confident performance. Inside, the cabin is designed as a command center with a minimalist design where luxury and cutting-edge technology meet. Carbon fiber bucket seats provide precise comfort and support, while a digital cockpit envelopes the driver in a seamless flow of data. A curved 8K touchscreen displays crystal-clear controls, similar to the HUD on a fighter jet, while AI-powered driving modes perfectly tailor the driving experience. Underneath the carbon fiber body is a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that, combined with hybrid assistance, produces 850 horsepower. The GT concept sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. While competitors like the McLaren 765 LT and Lamborghini Revuelto may try to match that speed, the Ford GT concept exudes a decidedly American charm. With a price tag of $600,000, this is more than just a vehicle, it's a work of modern engineering. Maintenance and insurance costs are commensurate with its speed, but depreciation seems to be a foreign concept to this collector's dream. Once behind the wheel, the GT concept feels incredibly responsive, responding to every command with a slick sense of exuberance. What's the catch? A ride so pure and thrilling that only a driver who is willing to take on a challenge can enjoy.